May June 2023. Variant is 53. First question is from a geometric distribution. Two fair coins are thrown. Two fair coins are thrown at the same time repeatedly until a pair of heads mean head head until a pair of heads is obtained. The number of throws taken is denoted by the random variable x. Part A of this question is state the value of Ex. Ex means expected value of x. This this part A is from geometric distribution because there is no fixed number of trials, but number of trials until the success is obtained. X shows the number of trials until a variable shows a variable x shows the number of trials until success is obtained. We have two fair coins. Success is pair of heads. Mean on both coins there comes heads. Head is the success. So first the probability of head is probability of head will be 1 over 2 into 1 over 2, that is 1 over 4. This is P, probability of success is 1 over 4, and Q will be 1 minus P, that is 3 over 4. Now formula for geometric distribution, to find the probability in geometric distribution is probability of x is equal to r is equal to q power r minus 1 into p. This formula will be used to find the probability in geometric distribution. Now, in geometric distribution, we have to find the value of ex. Ex shows the uh, expected value of x, mean of x. Formula is 1 over p. Now, putting the value of p is 1 over 4, so ex will become expected value of x. Yeah, simply we can say that mean of x will be 1 over 4. This shows that p will move to numerator, so ex will be 4. Ex will be 4. This is the answer. This is the mean value of x. Part B of this question is find the probability that exactly 5 throws are required to obtain a pair of heads. Now we will use this formula of probability. Probability of x is equal to 5 will be q power 4 into p. We have used this formula of probability. Now we're putting the values q and p. The values are 1 over 4, q is 3 over 4. Putting here the values, we get 3 over 4 for 4, 1 over 4. After calculating, we get the answer is 0.0791. This is the answer, 0.0791. Now part C of this question is find the probability that a fewer than 7 throws are required to obtain a pair of heads. Again, pair of heads mean probability is same, that is 1 over. Probability of success is 1 over 4. Probability of failure 3 over 4. So fewer than 7, probability that fewer than 7 throws are required to obtain a pair of heads. So we will write probability of x is less than 7. This will be equal to 1 minus q power 6. So answer will be 1 minus q. Q is 3 over 4 power 6. After calculating, we get 0.822. This is the answer.